So welcome back to the channel. My name is Jerome, and today I'm going to work on my trailer. It's very small, has not a lot of width, and very often I can't even see it behind me. So I'm going to add some extra lights to be able to see it behind me, and also warn other cars that there's a trailer behind the car, because especially on my bigger car, you can barely see it. So for that I got something, but I'll show you. But first, let's do the intro. So this is me inside the car, and already in my mirror you can't see the trailer, and it's at an angle so I can see it there, but if it's straight behind the car, and this is a tiny car, you can't see it, and you can't see it in the rear view mirror either. Well, got a camera in front of it now, but I really hope that those additional lights will actually make it more visible for me, also for others. So that's the plan, at least. Alright, so this is my trailer, and I've got these lights. So this is flexible, and there's LEDs in here. So this white needs to point to the front, and the red, of course, to the back. And I'm gonna mount it on here, I think. So it's on the back here, and it kind of protrudes out. Wow. That's the point, because it's going to be the same light as this. So I just hooked up the wires, test it. This one here. Don't think it really matters which side you pick, but there it is. Don't know if you can see it. There's the LED red and white. So I'm just going to trace these wires back so it's white and brown to the back of the trailer, and this back plate actually comes off completely when I disassemble the trailer. So that should work. Pretty easy, I think. Couple holes in bolts, and then I put it on fairly easy. Alright, so I've decided to take this off so I can get to all the wires. I'm not going to run a wire from the front, I'm going to tap it out here somewhere. And so I'm just going to remove this. So here's the black, the brown and the white, same as at the front. So I need to tap into these wires. Okay, so soldering's done, the lengthening of the wires. What I've decided to do is I'm gonna try and fix it on this side first. If that doesn't work, I could either make this stronger or make a totally different mounting. And I've marked out, it's probably not hard, it's hard to see, but I've marked out where these things need to sit. So I'll drill a couple of holes and then we can mount the first one. So that's all drilled up, ready to receive the lights. First, I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get some tiny bolts for this. Okay. All right. So I went ahead and mounted the lights on each side, and it looks pretty good. These are stainless, so yeah, that's gonna work really good, I think. And I can just take it off, and I can put it away. So all I need to do now is get these wires. I guess I'm going to bring these together over here somewhere, and then, have just one of these run into this, so the brown and the white. I think I'll do that, and I'll tape everything up, and we'll have a test fire, I guess. Alright, it's all hooked up. And that's what it looks like now. So that's a lot lighter. I think this is going to work pretty good. Alright, let's see if I did the wiring correct. Those two are going. They're working, but that one isn't. This one's not working. It's weird. All right, tap number 2. Yeah, they're working. Nice. This was disconnected, I think. There you go. Cool. Pretty happy with that. Does look a lot better. Alright, let's see if I can see it better. I've just put it straight behind the car. Yep, I can see it now. Don't know if that mirror shows it, but you can see the light there. It's a lot better. Yeah, and I can see it here as well. So that is perfect. I love it. Nice fix. Cool. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and see you in the next video.